Hey. Let's see if you're actually recording. Yeah, you are. Alright. Let's go on a little trip. To where? To where, you might say? I fell short. To where? Okay, we'll gotta tell our GPS. RV Museum, Elkhart, Indiana. Okay. 2 hours and 35 minutes. And I need ice. So 154 miles. It's only 154 miles. Only. Only. Okay. So that's what we're doing today. Today is Saturday, the 25th of July. I should be working. I could be working. God knows I need to be working. But if all I ever do is work, I won't even have no fun. I won't even go on any journeys. I need to go on a journey. Journey. Yeah. Circus lights. Oh, circus life. I always change the words. Under the guitar board, beyond these clouds, to make us smile. I need a journey to make me smile. Alright. I got my ice. I got my powder egg, my potato salad. I have my couple of brats. Yeah. Gas was 201 in Michigan. I'll show you. Oh, wrong time window. You see it? 201. 231. Alright, and here's my mileage to start off our trip. Alright, let's go. Check that out. I think I'm here. I think I'm really here.
Yep. Take the next right.
Yep, I am. Oh. Alrighty. There goes that one RV that everybody was talking about. You can go in. clothes. What you want? I don't know. Hey. It's pretty cool. South Jersey. Eagle homers know they go far beyond that. 3-burner stove. Oh, look at the football. Little thingies. It's cute. Oh, you can't see the picture. Philadelphia Eagles. They have a step. If you don't watch yourself, you're gonna fall. Big old TV. Alright. There's some of the names and the bricks. That's pretty cool. Wow. All the toy cars of it. Siri zoom. That's cute. Oh, that little car pulling that big old trailer. I never saw a toy car camper. I'm missing out. Wow, they were really going places. Look at that. They were busy. They weren't messing around. Huh. Oh, that's cool. Oh. I'm already had. Yeah, already had. 1970 was a good year. Yep. Check that out. They're hiding. Oh, that's funny. That's so cool. Poker Alice. That's Poker Alice. Don't mind me. He's playing poker and I wanted to join him.
Did you see the toilet? Yes.